If you want to get started on a healthy path, but you don't know where to start, my Healthy for Life Starter Kit is the perfect place. We are going to be going live for 4 days, and I will answer all your questions and tell you 4 simple things that you can do to completely transform your health and start you on your path. Number 1, we'll be diving into how to replace ordinary foods with healthier alternatives. That is key if you want to drop the pounds, because when you do that, you're not as hungry in between meals and you won't be snacking as much and the pounds will come off easily. Day 2, we'll be diving into how to overcome all your cravings and late night snacking, also a big challenge for most people. Day 3, we'll be diving into how you can have your carbs and eat them too. Again, it's all about finding healthier alternatives such as sweet potatoes. Potatoes are fine, and quinoa, things like that. And finally, on day 4, my absolute favorite topic about eating right for your body type, because let's face it, one size fits all never works. So I invite you to click the link below and join us. I can't wait to get started on Monday, April the 15th. Replays will be available if you can't make the live.